Necessity of the modernization of the fireworks manufacturing sector in India. Final part of the article written by V.R. Ajith Kumar and published in Kalakaumudi May 3rd to 10th, 2026 issue. In the previous two parts, we discussed the unfortunate condition of India's fireworks industry, the modernization achieved by China's fireworks sector, and the changes that need to take place in India's fireworks manufacturing industry. Sivakasi contributes nearly 80 to 90% of the country's firecracker production. The sector is dominated by small and medium-scale units that provide direct and indirect employment to thousands of workers. It is now essential to move away from the existing decentralized model and develop the fireworks industry by incorporating scientific safety standards, modern production technologies, skill development, and certification systems. For this, both the central and state governments must take the initiative to establish an integrated fireworks industrial park. Along with this, a dedicated training and research center should also be established. Such a project would help bridge the systemic gaps in the sector and transform it into a safe, sustainable, and globally competitive industry. The primary objectives should include improving safety standards at every stage of production, enhancing skill development in the handling of propellants and chemicals, promoting research and innovation for eco-friendly and low-pollution fireworks, improving productivity and product quality through modern infrastructure, ensuring compliance with international environmental regulations, and strengthening export competitiveness. The proposed industrial park can be developed with zoned layouts that ensure safe distances between manufacturing units. It can include common facilities such as raw material storage depots, testing centers, quality certification laboratories, fire safety and emergency response systems, plug-and-play factory units for MSMEs, wastewater treatment facilities, scientifically managed hazardous waste disposal systems, air and noise monitoring mechanisms, and common environmental infrastructure. A fireworks training and skill development institute can also be established within the park. This institute can offer certification courses for workers and supervisors, advanced diploma programs in fireworks technology, and mandatory induction training for all employees. Subjects such as chemical safety and hazard management, process standardization, machine operation, emergency response and first aid, and environmentally friendly fireworks manufacturing can be included in the curriculum. Collaboration may also be sought with research institutions such as the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research and regulatory agencies like the Petroleum and Explosives Safety Organization. The Research and Development Center established within the park can focus on the development of green crackers, safer chemical compounds, waste minimization technologies, and the automation of high-risk manufacturing processes. It would be advisable to establish the industrial park under a public-private partnership (PPP) model. The government can take responsibility for land acquisition, infrastructure development, policy support, regulatory facilitation, financial incentives and subsidies, technical collaboration with national research institutions, and skill certification through recognized institutions. The industry, on the other hand, can undertake investment in production units, participation in training programs, and the adoption of standardized manufacturing practices. As a first step, the central government should declare Sivakasi as the national fireworks manufacturing hub of India. The next step should be to educate and support existing small manufacturers and workers. Financial institutions must provide suitable bank loans and financial assistance for industries transitioning to the modernized system, which requires high capital investment. Workers should be assured of training, employment protection, and skill conversion opportunities, and such programs should begin immediately. Incentives for relocation to the new industrial zone, phased migration, viability gap funding, a single window clearance system, and mandatory certification with transitional support should also be ensured. With mandatory skill certification for workers, capital subsidies, and tax incentives for industries shifting to the park, a unified regulatory authority for approvals and inspections, export-oriented production and branding strategies, and academic courses in fireworks technology in technical institutions, India's fireworks manufacturing sector can evolve into an internationally recognized industry. The goal should be to compete with China in both quality and safety standards. Such efforts can significantly reduce industrial accidents while ensuring the creation of a trained and certified workforce, improved product quality, global acceptance, a transition to environmentally friendly fireworks, increased exports, economic growth, better working conditions, and stronger social security for workers. The government of Kerala may also consider establishing a mini fireworks manufacturing centre in Thrissur or Palakkad with the support of the central government, modelled on Sivakasi's industrial ecosystem. People for Better Society, a non-governmental organization, is planning to submit a proposal to the Government of India and the Government of Tamil Nadu for the establishment of an integrated fireworks manufacturing hub in Sivakasi to improve production quality, safety, and sustainability. It is hoped that this vision will become a reality in the coming years. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.